Hi, Meg. Um, Siguro hindi appropriate to say happy, pero still I'll manage to say happy Mansari, Meg. Sorry po sa lahat ng pagkukulang ko, sa lahat ng pagkakamali, sa lahat ng katarantaduhan, sa lahat ng kagaguhan. I'm so sorry. Yun. We are on our 25th month and still counting for more. And you can expect that yung more na yun will be sweetest and best. I'll have the new me when I come back. Kasi I realized lots of things and that I love you so much. I'm really sorry, Meg. And again, happy Mansari po. I'll be back soon. Bye muna, Meg.